So, hey guys, gabi na. Actually, mga 9 something na. At dito pa rin ako sa Lipa. As you can see. Dito pa rin kami nila Dave at Cloud. May nakaka-uwi. Hey friends, so as you can see, I'm currently at UB dahil may dinaanan lang ako. Pero yun nga, pupunta ako sa Alangilan dahil meron kaming meeting sa isang organization. And yeah, for term plan. I'll just see you later. So, currently here, hindi ko alam kung nag-start na sila. So, I'm going up, up, up. Murang yero. So, ibig sabihin, wala talagang mahal dyan. Walang mahal dyan kasi mura talaga eh, no?
Depende pa din.
Or may kasamang mura yung yero.
Baka yun ang tinutok. Murang yero. Mapamura ka sa play. Mapamura ka sa play. Hey friends, so today ay birthday ng aking mother and it's July 2. So kami ay pupuntang SM. Kami ay bibili ng cake.
So, let's go. So, hey guys. Nabili na namin and such. So, is it? So, yun lang. Yun lang yung pinunta namin sa SM. So, uwi na kami. Bye! See you next time. So, uwi na kami. Look at the sky, friends. Parang painting ni Van Gogh. Van Gogh? Yung Starry Night. Starry Night. Gardenia also focuses on sustainability. They have waste management systems in place and partners with group for proper disposal of unsold bread, contributing to a more responsible food system. Magkano? Yan?
Ganun din.
Hmm? Wala.
Okay. Tatry ko. Ang dami na kasi sa TikTok eh.
Kaya nga eh. Eh, dapat siguro din parang pantayan mo sila yung merong may mga design na ganito.
Yun lang.
Wala mo kayo mabibilang magandang tela na may design? Ah! Ay, yung palagay sa braso ng bata.
Ayan.
Yes. Parang nakakita lang ako ng ganyan minsan sa bata.
We welcome once again a vessel who boldly carries the word and presence of God wherever he goes. Let us open our hearts one more time and give all glory to Jesus as we welcome back Prophet Homer.
Check this. Yeah, listen. I am molded in silence, living on my own. Now I got this experience. Life is what I saw. Now I'm changing in an instant. Speed within my lungs. Every breath is consistent. Fire from within, but the burn in the skin. As I say, what is sin? God forgiven the sin. Yes, amen. I was born to ascend. Know you heard what I said. Be ignited within.
Jollibee. Ha? Sa Korean na.
Oh, ba?
Nasa extra rice na lang ako.
Pero may burger pa naman. Parang hindi na ako kumain sa bago. May times na pag walang ano, gusto ko mag-extra rice. Pero may times na hindi na ako mag-extra rice para mapapak ko yung chicken.
An almighty fortress, you go before us. Nothing can stand against the power of our God. You shine in the shadow, you in every battle. Nothing can stand against the power of our God. An almighty fortress, you go before us. Nothing can stand against the power of our God. You shine in the shadow, you in every battle. Nothing can stand against the power of our God. An almighty fortress, you go before us. Nothing can stand against the power of our God. You shine in the shadow, you win every battle. Nothing can stand against the power of our God. So when I fight, I'll fight on my knees with my hands lifted high. Oh God, the battle belongs to you, and every fear I lay at your feet, and I'll sing through the night. Oh God, the battle belongs